So why would someone use H20Lock as opposed to a traditional bagged or bulk desiccant?
So H20Lock is typically used in applications where space is at a premium or the form is important. So for instance, H20Lock on a per volume basis has higher capacity than traditional bagged desiccant or molecular sieve beads that are contained in some other type of container. And then in addition, because it's a solid, it's easy to secure it in place either with adhesive or by mounting it with a screw.
With the H20Lock material, are there any restrictions on the form factor? And if so, what are they? And is it a machinable product?
So H20Lock comes out of the press in a cylindrical format or in a prism format with two parallel faces. The overall size limitations will be it has to fit in a 4.5-inch diameter cylinder and be no taller than 2 inches. Then thereafter it can be machined to almost any shape.
So how can a user install H20Lock into their product?
So because H20Lock is a solid, there's a lot of options for that. So for instance, AGM has customers that have used adhesive to glue a tablet in place on a printed circuit board. We've also had customers who have had us drill a hole in a block of H20Lock and then secure it in place with a screw.
So can you give us some examples of how H20Lock has been used?
Sure, H20Lock has been used in a lot of different applications. A couple of them that come to mind would be LiDAR assembly on a self-driving car, trying to keep that assembly dry because they have optics and printed circuit boards. Another one that comes to mind would be keeping the detonator on a munition dry.